Basically, dividing the string is very important. So first of all, you can see that I have drawn a line here because I am considering only first element of my string, which is a, and according to the dictionary that is given to me, I have assigned value 1 for this character a. Okay, in the next iteration, what I'm going to consider is I can consider this a and b together. So for a and b together, I can assign it as value 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically how I have made this division, you can see that a was already defined. So in the next step I took a and b together. In the next step a and b were already defined, so I took a, b, b together. In the next step I took b because b was not previously defined, so I took b alone. In the next step I took a, b. I could have taken a, b, but a, b was already defined, so I took a, b and a together. All right, and in the next step I have taken a, b, a and b together, because otherwise a, b and a, b, a were already defined, so I took a, b and a, b together. And in the next step I have taken b and b together because lone b was already defined, so b with b is a new substring. So every time you are taking a new substring, you are making such combinations in which the substring whichever is made, it should be a new substring. So you do not have to do repetition. You do not make a substring more than once, or you do not make a b substring more than once. Every combination should be a unique combination. Similarly, in the next step, I could have taken a, b, but it was already defined. I could have taken a, b, b, but it was already defined here, so that is why I took a, b, b and a together. And always remember, you are not supposed to do shuffling in the string. For example, if this b, b are and on the end, you cannot take this bb from here and put it somewhere in the middle. The string as it is given to you in the question, or for that matter the string that the transmitter wants to transmit on the transmitter, that is not shuffleable. You can only break it down into substrings, but you cannot shuffle the characters. Okay, in the end I am getting this substring of bb, but you can see that it is already available, but you can also see that there is no other option. After making this substring of a, b, b and a, I have this bb. Either I can make the two separate substrings, but of course b was already available, so that will not solve my problem. So I have taken simply one repetition of substring, that is just in the case of the very last substring where I was not having any other option. Okay, so now by now I have made substrings from my string, and I have assigned them index values. All right, so now let's write down the positions and write down the positions, the sequences and the numerical representations, and with the help of them I'm going to get my LZW codes. All right, so first of all, for a, basically for a, you can say that the numerical representation of a can be phi a, because there is nothing with a, so it is phi a. And for the second string a, b, you can say that the numerical representation of a, b is such that first element is a. So what is the index value of a? You can see that index value of a is 1. So you will write down the numerical representation, or you can see that the output will be equal to 1, and b will come as it is. Okay, and for next substring, which is a, b, b, you can see that the first element of this substring is a, b, right? And what is the index value of a, b? You can see the index value of a, b is 2, so this 2 will come in the numerical representation of this a, b, and b will come as it is. Okay, so the next substring is B, and you can see that the index value assigned to B is 4. So this 4, this okay, but B can come as phi B, because you do not have any values for B right now. Okay, the next substring contains AB and A, and AB is the first element of this substring. So you know that the value AB has index position 2. So you can place 2 in place of this AB, and A will come directly as it is. The next substring is ABAB, and you can see that ABA is already available, and it has a index value of 5. So 5 will come in its position of ABA, and B will come as it is. Okay, so the next substring is BB, and for BB you can see that for for B you have index position of 4, so it will come 4, and this B will come as it is. And for the next substring ABBA, you see that this first data entry of this substring is ABB, and for ABB you can see that you have an index position of 3, so you can place 3 in place, and A will come as it is. And this last BB, you know that for this you can say that BB had an index position of 7, so it will simply come as 7. Now I will assign codes to the numerical representations, and according to the dictionary that is assigned to you, A has a value of 0 and B has a value of 1. So wherever you had, if phi means all zeros, 3 zeros maybe, so A will come as another 0, so this will be the code. This 1 means 1, and B means 1, so this will be the code for 1B. 2 means 1 0, so you can say that B has come as 1, because the code assigned to you in the dictionary, B has a value of 1. Phi is again 0 0, and B is 1, so this code is 0 0 1. And 2 is 0 1 0. Okay, 2 is 0 1 0, so A is 1, so this will be the code. And 5 is 1 0 1, so B is 1. And 4 is 1 0 0, and B is 1. And 3 is 0 1 1, and A is 0. And 7 is 0 1 1, and yeah, it's simply the same as you did it for B is of course 1. So basically what you get is that first of all you had that string and you divided it into substrings, and to each substring you assigned an index value, and with the help of those index values you basically calculated the numerical representations or the outputs, you can say, for all of these strings. And once you get the outputs, you replace the B's and A's with the codes which were given to you from the dictionary, and in this way you got the final encoding with the help of LZW encoding. So this is how we do LZW encoding. I hope you like the explanation. Thank you very much. Do press the like and subscribe button, and do write your questions in the comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.